Hey everyone, today we're going to be learning how to make a really healthy yogurt. Okay, most of the store-bought yogurts are filled with things you don't know. They might taste pretty good, but they're not going to taste nearly as good as the one we're going to make, and they're not nearly as healthy. There's lots of unhealthy ingredients in store-bought ones because they're packaged. They have to stay good for a long time. There's a lot of unhealthy facts about yogurt you buy from the store that's flavored, so we're going to learn how to make our own. Okay, what you need? You need some plain yogurt, healthy plain yogurt. And you're also going to want some fruit, chia seeds, and almonds. Okay, the fruit you want are any stone fruit work, like peaches and pluots. Peaches are full of magnesium, protein, they're full of fibers, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, and plenty of other vitamins. And blueberries and peaches, they're all full of antioxidants, so that's what you're going to want with the plain yogurt. Then the almonds, really healthy for you. Almonds give it that crunchy taste. It's really satisfying. Chia seeds and almonds, you're going to want some chia seeds, and them together, they're full of protein and they're full of potassium. And let me show you how to make it. Okay, my mom's going to help us show you how to do it. You're just going to take the bowl of fruit, just going to slightly scoop it in, and keep on doing that. And just put a good amount like this. We also added some grapes. Now you're just going to put some chia seeds in. Just sprinkle it on top. Now you're going to put some almonds on. And there you've got a beautiful, healthy, and delicious yogurt that is so much better than store-bought yogurts. Let's give it a taste. Got some fruit right here with chia seeds and almonds. Oh my gosh. I would buy that yogurt for $100 if I had $100 in my wallet, because that is absolutely delicious and so much healthier than store-bought yogurts that you're eating for dessert. So try to make this yogurt on your own because it's so healthy, full of antioxidants, all kinds of good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Peace.